Hello, how are you? So, fall nail art. So that you want a pair grabby while doing so. This is one of the most simple nail design for your wedding if you want to keep it bright yet simple. These look similar to coffee nails, which have been trending this year. Shiny maple simple nail designs. Another way to replicate feline nails with lovely feline leaves is to use a brown base color so that you want a pair dirty wall painting the or named mix and matches. If you are having trouble choosing with a design to a point on your nails, choose two or more expanding the mixing and a matching. Nobody will hinder you. Flowers on gases. We have seen how the nail colors for fall to 2020 are the most varied, ranging from a green to a orange, cobalt blue, and a brownishes. The nut which are recommended as the primary colors in many enable enamel collection is also dealing the properties has season green forest simple designs in 2022. Green will also be presented in a variety of considered in including emerald base and acid tones. A revelation result celebrating like Shelina gamers have already popular the nail trend of autumn, which you have play green as a nail colors amazing them. Check out our grad on a solar nails as we last everything about the which included are solar nails comparison with a recycle nails FAQ and a